Writing skills develop gradually, beginning long before children are ready to form letters. In the early years, the focus is on building fine motor control through activities like threading beads, cutting with scissors, or playing with Play-Doh. These kinds of play strengthen hand muscles and coordination, helping children control their movements when they begin to write. When children first hold a pencil, we encourage a gentle grip, not a tight one. Over time, they move towards a tripod grip, where the pencil rests comfortably between the thumb and first two fingers, usually developing by kindergarten. Children start by making marks, drawing shapes, and beginning to form letter patterns. As they move into Key Stage 1, they learn to write short words and sentences, using phonics to support spelling and beginning to use punctuation. At this stage, it's all about confidence and enjoyment. We want children to see writing as a creative way to share ideas, not just something to get right. When they feel proud of what they write, they're far more motivated to keep improving.